Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an incredibly exciting topic to explore: the top 3 vegetarian foods that are not only delicious but also packed with plant-based protein. We understand that finding protein-rich sources on a vegetarian diet can be challenging, so we're here to guide you through it. Before we jump into the details, did you know that there's a world of plant-based protein options just waiting to be discovered? Get ready to change your perspective on vegetarian protein sources as we delve into these 3 nutritional powerhouses. Food number 1: lentils. Let's kick things off with our first contender, lentils. These tiny legumes might be small, but they are loaded with protein, providing you with approximately 18 grams of protein in just 1 cup. That's quite impressive, isn't it? But that's not all. Lentils are more than just protein. They also offer a generous helping of dietary fiber, iron, and a plethora of essential vitamins and minerals. The versatility of lentils is another advantage. You can use them in a wide range of dishes, from soups and stews to salads and even veggie burgers. Their neutral flavor pairs well with many other ingredients, allowing you to get creative in the kitchen. If you're interested in delving deeper into the nutritional benefits of lentils, you can find numerous studies supporting their positive impact on heart health, weight management, and overall nutrition. These studies highlight the value of incorporating lentils into your diet as part of a healthy lifestyle. Lentils are not only a protein source but a nutritional powerhouse. They offer a wide array of benefits, from their protein and fiber content to the variety of essential vitamins and minerals they provide. They are also incredibly versatile and can be easily integrated into your daily meals. Food number 2: quinoa. Our next superstar is quinoa, often referred to as the mother of all grains. It's a complete protein source, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. With about 8 grams of protein in 1 cup, quinoa is not just a protein powerhouse. It's also a versatile and gluten-free grain. The subtle nutty flavor of quinoa makes it an absolute delight to include in your meals. Food number 3: chickpeas. Last but not least, let's talk about chickpeas. They're not just for hummus lovers. These legumes are a fantastic protein source, providing approximately 15 grams of protein in a single cup. Chickpeas are incredibly versatile and can be used in various dishes, from salads to stews. Benefits of including these foods. Now, you might be wondering, why should I incorporate these foods into my diet? Well, these protein-packed wonders offer a multitude of benefits. They can assist in weight management, support muscle health, and enhance your digestive system. Plus, they're easy to integrate into your daily meals. Practical tips and recipes? And here's the good news. We're not just sharing information. We're offering practical tips and delectable recipes to make these foods a regular part of your diet. We believe in making nutrition accessible and delicious for everyone. Conclusion. In conclusion, these top 3 vegetarian protein sources can be your dietary allies. Don't hesitate to get creative and include these mouth-watering options in your daily meals. You'll find that plant-based protein can be not only satisfying but also highly nutritious. If you found this information valuable, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing for more engaging content. We appreciate your enthusiasm and look forward to sharing further nutritional insights. Until our next exploration, stay healthy and stay happy.